Right now, the human rights sentiment is sitting at minus 0.17, with a notable momentum of plus 0.81. This spike in momentum suggests a significant shift in sentiment that's not typical for this topic. Usually, we'd expect to see more stability. With 20 semantic clusters, it indicates diverse conversations are bubbling up, likely driven by recent events. What does our API return? You get nuanced sentiment scores, momentum trends, and topic analysis to inform your applications. Imagine building an alert system that triggers when sentiment falls below a certain threshold, allowing organizations to respond to human rights issues in real time. To dive deeper into integrating this data into your projects, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.